Hey, this is Ross making another Marvel Legends video. This time I have the Captain America series featuring the Red Skull Onslaught Build-A-Figure. This is an older set I picked up on clearance. It came out in early 2016 and was the first of 3 Captain America sets that came out around the Captain America Civil War movie. I'm going to take a look at the figures and assemble the Red Skull Build-A-Figure. This is the whole group unboxed. All 7 figures in this set come with a part of the Build-A-Figure. The first figure in the set is Captain America wearing his classic costume. The figure comes with a shield, 2 alternate hands, and a werewolf head because Captain America got turned into a werewolf once. Bobby Morse is the SHIELD agent Mockingbird. She comes with her twin batons. The last hero is Sharon Carter, Agent 13, also with SHIELD. She comes with a gun. Starting off the villains is Whirlwind, who has fought almost every Avenger at some point. Next is Cottonmouth from the Serpent Society. They've fought Captain America and other heroes multiple times. This is probably the best figure in the set. The character is D-Man, but this is him as Scourge, which is an identity he used briefly. He comes with 2 guns and a knife, and they all have paint deco. The small gun and knife fit in holsters on his gear. The trigger finger is detailed too, something we don't see on a lot of figures. Last is Taskmaster. He's wearing the costume from the anime-inspired Udon miniseries. He comes with a more traditional head, as well as a sword and shield. Now I'm going to build Red Skull Onslaught. A few years ago, Red Skull stole Professor Xavier's brain. During the Axis storyline, he used Professor X's psychic powers to become Red Onslaught. The original Onslaught head came packed with a figure in a later series. That gives more options for displaying this figure. That's the whole Captain America Red Skull Onslaught set. That wraps up this video. Thanks for watching.